You ever had a connection so real that even a 1,000-pound killing machine turns into a pillow? Yeah, that's this moment. This absolute unit of a Celian comes back every single day. Because years ago, this man saved him. You ever saved someone, then disappeared for a bit? And when you come back, they run to you like this?
Oh, Kathy, that is the sweetest thing I've ever seen! Kathy, that's what the world needs.
This otter hops into his kayak every morning just to say hello.
Trata lá.
Floodwaters swept the land, but loyalty brought him home. This reunion proves some bonds never break. When a pig remembers you, it's more than instinct, it's connection.
Hallo Freunde, guck mal, wo ich wieder bin. Bei meinem Fidi. Und der Fidi und ich lassen es heute ein bisschen ruhiger angehen. Lassen es heute ein bisschen ruhiger angehen.
Linda, eu traz só.
Lembrou, ele lembrou, cara. Ele lembrou, cara. Criou ele quando era pequeno. Faz 8 anos que ele não vê o cachorro. O cachorro já mordeu 8 pessoas. Não mordeu ele, cara. Lembrou dele.
This man lost everything in a fire, but he found his cat. Not just a pet, this is family. Saw his favorite human and went straight into emotional headbutt mode. That's premium farm love.
แก้มมาจุ๊บเอาแก้มมาให้จุ๊บใหม่ก่อนเดี๋ยวเพิ่งเอาแก้มมาให้จุ๊บใหม่ก่อนเอาแก้มมาเอาแก้มมาเอาแก้มมาจุ๊บ
The goose might be a little grumpy, but it still knows how to say, "Welcome back, human."
She loves her daddy. Yes.
Hi. Hello.
After 2 days away, this guy's back, and his pet here won't stop with the love. Nothing says welcome home like a goose ready to steal your snack and your heart at the same time.
What are you doing to Daddy, Brian? You making you mad? Oh, you trying to lay with him?
You gotta lay down.
People forget each other over small things, but this monkey, with a brain the size of a fist, never forgot a hug. Fact: cats recognize their owner's voice faster than a smartphone unlocks.
Yay, we're home!
Come on.
Daddy! Yay! Aw, of course!
Forget the scratches, screams that cats have given you. Gentleness and loveliness are their true nature.
همین تو مونده بود ما چیشی دیگه همین مونده بود تو منو ماچ کنی با اون چشای ریزه با اون چشای ریزه با اون دندونای تیزه.
Put your arms up for a hug. And that is how you catch a turkey.
Yeah?
They say donkeys are stubborn until love calls.
你大早起的每天奔赴而来，你着闲呗？嗯？想我了没？
This rooster must be saying, who would be more perfect to sit here than me?
Okay. Hunter's been out here waiting for Uncle Joe, and I see he just pulled in the driveway. Oh, I think Hunter saw him too. Okay, there he goes. As soon as he sees Uncle Joe come home, he runs right across the street.
No matter how long you're gone, they'll always greet you like it's been forever. Gentle giants, capable of great strength, yet choosing tenderness.
Hi, fella. Oh, look at you. Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, look at you.
You're not here just for the carrots, are you?
He's done. Oh, look at that. He's not out here for the carrots.
Kiss. Oh.
Oh.
Обниматься, ёпкерный бабай. Вот я первый раз такого гуся вижу, который надо обниматься. Не ори на меня. Не ори, говорю, на меня.
They say fish have short memories, but this one never forgot his diving buddy.
So I guess we don't need anything.
After being apart for so long, it took just one touch for all the memories, love, and trust to come rushing back.
Who is that?
Hi! I love you so much!
Wah wah.
谁叫你咬我的？嗯？
Hello, handsome. Hello, beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
So beautiful. Oh, good boy.
When your best friend is 1,200 pounds but still thinks they're a lap cow. When birds consider you their nest. Sorry, I got off work late today.
Here.
Grandma's here. Look. Grandma's here. Grandma's here. Grandma's here. Oh my God, what is that doing?
Cherish those who accept the neck joint pain to give you intimate caresses.
We had a nice little conversation on the way up.
After weeks apart, this kitty finally gets back into Dad's arms.
He knows it's you.
Oh, my babies! Oh, my bubbles! Oh, my babies! Oh, bubbles! Oh, my God! What you doing? What you doing? Oh, Dooney! Oh, Dooney! Oh, my God!
Sí. Estaba ahí.
A deer's hearing is great, but this one came running for a voice it knew was safe.
Hachi. Hola, amigo.
Where is he?
We fully believe that the airport is the place where the most heartfelt reunions happen.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that was a long 48 hours.
This video is sponsored by Smiles and Wagging Tails. Thanks so much.